Morning, everybody. Long version. This is for YouTube. First off, you gotta have a cup of coffee. So I have the Tassimo here in the studio. I've had Tassimo. This is the machine, second or third machine. It's from the jewelry store, and I just have boxes of this stuff. So today I had a French. This morning I'm having French vanilla, and then I have a little bit of silk milk in there, almond silk milk. There's some other good things in the fridge, but that's for later. Okay. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, so did a large casting this morning. It's a little too much to get involved, like with me filming. It takes a little bit of extra work for me to film, and then I got to think about the filming and making sure everything goes right, and hopefully it looks good. So with that one there, it's maximum capacity in my machine, maximum capacity on the brain. So I just do those, and but anyways, I have another ring here. The Crusher's ring I need to get to. I got a pendant, California pendant I'm going to be milling this afternoon, and then I got a double finger ring to go out. So I'm looking forward to getting those dropped. I'm starting to feel a little bit better. Congestion's kind of loosening up. Okay, with that we're going to do some casting. Okay, so hopefully we got a good angle here. Sure we do. Make sure you have your gloves. Now, you know that I think safety's paramount. Okay. Number one. Now remember, I weighed the. Look at how nice that burnout is. The plaster is already white, but there's no burnt look in there. It's brought up to the right temperature. Okay, this machine's wound up 4 times. The crucible's still hot from last time. Make sure you put it in there. I usually put a little bit of oil on the track there so it smooths, slides nicely. Carbon stirring rod, and that's boric acid, borax. Let that spin out. Maybe what I ought to do now, well, we've got this long one going here. Oh, I gotta take this jacket off. It's warm today. That's better. Bye. That one's been sitting now for, a good 10 minutes, 10, 12 minutes. Now, that back in the oven. Don't do anything with that one for a while. But this one here is a nice thin casting. Fuck right off. Oh, excuse me. Try to edit that out. Sometimes I wash my hands and I can't do anything with them. Okay. So let's see what this looks like. Come on, sweetie. Now, the front of this is spotless. Excellent casting. No flip. But this is just a tiny little fin that's on there. This will come off quite nicely. So that's not a major problem. The sprue up here, all real nice. Real nice casting. A little bit of a flaw up here, but that's on the outside. I'm going to straighten this out. This turned out just beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, you guys. So that's that. Then we got the other one to do still too. This video's taking a while. You know, you see the nice little setup. I got the steamer here. I don't think the steamer's up to pressure. I just plugged it in. I got the foot control right here. Right, for the steam, the water, and the ultrasound. So that area's really nice. Okay, you guys. Way too long. Yeah, that turned out great. Okay. Have a nice day.